Hello everyone. If you are looking for how to use calculator, online calculator, then you don't need to search anymore. Today I am going to show you how you can use online calculator. You open your browser and then go to google.com. Okay, once you are google.com, you can search for calculator. Or this is also okay. So how it work? It's work like if you want to multiply 3 into 3, then put 3 and then click on this multiply icon and then again 3 and then this button, it will work. See, this is worked. By this way 124 plus 2t5 equal to 149. See, it's worked perfectly. If you don't have any calculator nearby, you can use it online. Just go to google.com and search for calculator. For you can use it for now, and this video will help you to get a calculator for calculating matter. You don't need any physical calculator anymore. If you want, you can use online calculator. Thank you for watching my video. I hope this video will help you. If it help you really, then you can subscribe, comment, like. Bye bye.